this video, we are going to talk about the big bull of India, the हर्षद मेहता। तो ये सारे टॉपिक्स है जो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले ये वीडियो में। हर्षद मेहता का स्टोरी स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम लोग थोड़ा सा स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में बेसिक जान लेते हैं, जिससे कि नॉर्मली जिसको नहीं पता होता है वो और अच्छे से समझ पाएगा। शेयर मार्केट, ये वर्ड सुन के आपके माइंड में क्या आता है? ये ऐसा मार्केट है जिसमें शेयर करने से प्रॉफिट मिलता है। नहीं समझे? इसे थोड़ा और आसान बनाते हैं। एक कंपनी है जिसका प्राइस है 50 लाख, उसे और 50 लाख चाहिए जिससे कि वो अपने कंपनी को डेवलप कर सके। इसलिए वो अपने कंपनी के छोटे छोटे भाग बनाते हैं यानी शेयर्स, और उसे लोगों को बेच देते हैं। मान लेते हैं एक शेयर का प्राइस 5 रुपीज है और वो ऐसे 10 लाख शेयर बनाकर लोगों को बेच देता है। अब उसे जो 50 लाख चाहिए थे वो 10 लाख शेयर्स बेचने से उसे मिल जाते हैं। कंपनी का प्रॉफिट होने से शेयर का मार्केट प्राइस वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज हो जाता है, जिससे कि शेयर होल्डर अपने शेयर्स दूसरे लोगों को बेचकर प्रॉफिट ले सकता है। अगर कंपनी का नुकसान हुआ तो शेयर का मार्केट प्राइस वैल्यू भी डिक्रीज हो जाता है, जिससे कि शेयर होल्डर को नुकसान होता है। देयर आर टू पॉपुलर मार्केट्स, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange comprises of 1700 companies and the statistical data of shares is shown in Nifties, whereas Bombay Stock Exchange comprises of 5400 companies and the statistical data of shares is shown in Sensex. To enter into a share market, one must have saving accounts and demat account for the updates of stock. So our second topic is Scam 1992.
Scam 1992 is responsible to bring evolutionary change in stock market as it exposed various inherent loopholes of security system. Harshad Mehta had committed a fraud over 10 billion to buy a stock on BSE, which resulted in exponential growth of stock market. He joined B. Ambala Broker after leaving his sales job and soon became stockbroker of J.L. Shah and Nandala Seth. He was also a broker of BSE, where he used to ready forward deal, which says that if bank needs more funds, then it can sell its government security to other banks. In short, a bank gives a short-term loan on government securities. A bank can mortgage its government security to other banks. It's same as when a person needs more money, he mortgage his jewelries to jeweler and take the money for his uses. Over a period of time, that person buys his jewelries with an interest which he kept as a mortgage. As Harshad Mehta was a broker, he used to sell or buy securities on the behalf of bank. During that time, there were many loopholes through which one can earn money, and Harshad Mehta took full advantage of the case. To sell or buy securities, bank must have bank receipt to know that XYZ bank is mortgaging its security to ABC bank. As Harshad Mehta was a broker or mediator between banks, he made fake bank receipts and fraudulently invested those money in stocks, which result in astonishing growth of share market graph, especially ACC. He used to pay back to banks from the money he earned in stock market as the market was going in full pace. But when market value dropped, he was not able to pay back to the bank. It was at that time when the investigation started, as the index fell from 4,500 to 2,500, representing a loss of 1,000 billion in market capitalization. In April 1992, Suchita Dalal from Times of India exposed Harshad Mehta in her article. On 9th November 1992, CBI arrested Harshad Mehta. There were 600 civil action suits and 70 criminal suits filed against him. Scam 1992 involved many bank officials responsible for collusion with Mehta for making of fake bank receipts. He was kept in Thane jail. He took his last breath on 31st December 2001.
So our third topic is how Harshad Mehta entered into Indian stock market.
Harshad Mehta was born on 29 July 1954 in Gujarat. He was a very keen cricketer and his father is textile businessman from whom he got basic business tactics at early stage. He did his BCom graduation and started job of sales. Within few years, he got more inclined towards stock market and started investing in it. Within a span of 10 years, he became authorized finance broker and built his own company known as Grow More Research and Assets Management. Many people started investing in his schemes and it was at this time where he traded shares of Associated Cement Company in large number. The price of shares rose from 200 rupees to 9000 rupees. It increased 4 times within a year.
That's all for this video. Hit a subscribe button and share with your friends. My name is Sanjay and I thank you so much for watching this video.